To connect Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra with a car, first of all, you will need to open settings on your phone. Make sure that you have internet connection and then go to connected devices right here and scroll all the way down to Android Auto. Now, if you open it for the first time, it may transfer you to Google Play Store, where you will need to log into your Google account if not already, and then update Android Auto app. After it's updated, you can then click on Plus Connect Vehicle. There's two options to connect. First one is through the cable. If you have cable that allows you to connect both your phone and your car, you can try it. If you don't have that cable, you can try to connect it wirelessly using Bluetooth. So go for connect using wireless Android Auto, and then you will need to find out how to enter pairing mode on your car. Best way is to just Google your car model and then how to enter pairing mode. When you're in pairing mode for your car, you should be able to find it here in connect using Bluetooth and pair vehicle. On the bottom there's available devices, and if there's car that you have showing up, you can click on it and then connect it. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.